guys, welcome back to English with Sadaf. Today we are going to learn difference between hard skills and soft skills. During the job application and interview process, employers look for applicants with hard skills and soft skills. A successful candidate will always make sure to put both the sets on display. In order to do so effectively, it helps to understand the difference between these two types of skills. So in this video, we are going to see what are the hard skills, what are the soft skills, difference between hard skill and soft skill, that is hard skill versus soft skills, and how to display or how to use your hard skill in your resume, how to use soft skills in your resume, and how to highlight your skills in the interview process. So before displaying both the skills, let's first understand them one by one. The top hard skills that an employer will look for on your resume really depends on the industry you're going into. So let's get started. Let's first understand what are hard skills. Hard skills are specific professional abilities that can be taught through education and training. They typically include the necessary technical expertise that employers expect their workers to have. Hard skills can mostly be quantified, measured, defined, or evaluated in some way. So you can say that hard skills are the part of the skill sets that is required for a job. Hard skills are acquired through formal education and training program, including college, short-term training classes, online courses, certification programs, as well as on-the-job training. And some of the examples of hard skills are like accounting, auditing, then carpentry, designing, database management, hardware, marketing research, nursing, pipe fitting, tailoring, teaching like bachelor's in education or diploma in education. These are some of the examples of your hard skill. Top hard skills employers look for. A study done by LinkedIn shows the most in demand hard skills that employers look for, that are blockchain, cloud computing, analytical reasoning, artificial intelligence, X design, business analysis, affiliate marketing, sales, scientific computing, video production, database management skills, programming language skills, web and mobile development skills, SEO or SEM skills, data analysis skills, administrative skills, finance skills, mathematics skills, leadership skills, human resource skills, business operations skills, foreign language skills, writing skills, project management skills. So these are the top hard skills that employers look for. Now let us move on to soft skill. What are soft skills? Soft skills are subjective skills that relate to the way people interact with each other. Soft skills are also known as people skills, interpersonal skills, or personal skills, and are personal traits that shape how a person works on their own and with others. Usually they are not taught but are rather the natural result of emotional intelligence and life experience. So you can say that soft skills on the other hand are attributes and habits that describes how you work individually or with others. They are not specific to a job but indirectly help you adapt to the work environment and company culture. So let's see the examples of soft skills. Top soft skills employers look for. LinkedIn study showed that the most in demand soft skills include creativity, persuasion, collaboration, adaptability, emotional intelligence. And other popular soft skills include verbal and non-verbal communication skills, problem-solving skills, work ethics, interpersonal skills, that is empathy, patience, diplomacy, etc. Time management skills, leadership skills like listening, trust, cultural intelligence, etc. Attention to detail, critical thinking skill, dependability, open-mindedness, organization, and willing to learn. So these are the top soft skills that employers look for, and you need to develop it. Now let's see the difference between hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are the technical skills, whereas soft skills are innate and natural abilities. Hard skills are learned through education and training, and soft skills are acquired through life experience. Hard skills are industry specific, whereas soft skills are transferable across industries. How to use your hard skills in your resume? When applying for a technical job where hard skills are in higher demand than soft skills, you should put your skills section near to the top of your resume. This way, the hiring manager can quickly see the most important information as it relates to the position they want to fill. Other jobs requires examples of how you used your hard skills in your previous jobs. In this case, you will want to highlight your skills in the professional experience section of your resume. This can be done by demonstrating how a particular skill was used to solve a problem and achieve a positive result. How to use soft skills in your resume? It is quite tough. Soft skill can be showcased through measurable accomplishment and results. So, when listing them on your resume, you should always pair them with a measurable result. Applicant can also include soft skills in the professional experience section of their resume in the form of accomplishment. So in this way, you can display both the skills in your resume by highlighting them or putting them in their proper place. Thank you. So that's it from me. I hope now you are clear with hard skills and soft skills, and now you have learned how to display both the skill at their proper places. I hope you like my video. If you really like my video, do like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.